Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaisy and I just finished washing my hair. So I wanted to show you guys what it is that I do to make my hair look much thicker than it actually is. Because contrary to how my hair looks in some videos or some pictures, my hair is actually very fine. I would say that what you're gonna see in this video is pretty much a hybrid between a blown out look and a wash and go. To get my hair to look thicker than it actually is, I just add on a couple of extra steps than I would normally do if I was just blow drying my hair and wearing a blown out look. But I'm actually going to get into later why I actually don't usually wear a blown out look by itself. The reason that I take these extra steps is because, one, I think it creates a cute style that I really like, but beyond that, it goes into some of the troubles that I usually have with the blown out look or wearing a wash and go. With a blown out look, I blow dry my hair. I like the way that that looks, but the problem is once I go outside, depending on like the elements, if it's humid outside, if it's raining outside, or maybe if it's even snowing outside, just the humidity from that, it ends up making my hair look very blown away or crazy. And so that could be a wild card when I'm going out somewhere and trying to wear the blown out look and I'm not sure how it's gonna look in, 30-40 minutes from when I leave my house. And this style is also like a replacement for wearing a wash and go for me, because I won't say that I never wear wash and goes, but I don't wear them often. And I touched on this in one of my previous videos. Wash and goes are hard on my hair pretty much, because when I let my hair just dry naturally, I have a lot of shrinkage, and so my hair just, so in addition to me pretty much not liking the style of my hair, just like having so much shrinkage, it takes so much more work for me to create a style that I like when my hair like shrinks up like that. And on top of that, it's a problem in terms of the health of my hair, because if I let my hair shrink like that, then it creates a lot of tangles in my hair, and really bad tangles, you guys. My hair tangles up really bad, like what I like to call non-negotiable tangles, in the sense that I can't comb them out no matter how patient I am. Like those tangles where you have no choice, but you pretty much have to cut them out of your hair. So I end up with a lot of those, and so that's why I typically don't wear a wash and go. So now I'm just basically going to tell you guys what I'm doing before I get into it, because it's not like this major secret. It's just some steps that maybe aren't as obvious to people to take because they may seem a little bit counterproductive. What I do is I blow dry my hair just like normal, except for the fact that I only blow dry on the cool setting, as opposed to if I were planning on straightening my hair, I would probably blow dry my hair on at least a medium setting, usually not the hot setting. But for this style that I'm doing today, I only use the cool setting. I put in a curling cream or whatever curl styling product that I have in my hair after I blow dry it. So yes, I know that seems crazy, but the reason it works for me is because once I put that product in after the fact, it brings more of a weight. It brings more weight to my hair, and it also brings back some of the curls, but not my full-fledged, like full shrinkage curls. It just brings back enough for me to be able to have this big, thick hair. So you guys will see if you stay till the end. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair, and this is the finished result, which again, I told you, like, I would love a style like this because I love big hairstyles. But the thing of it is, like I said before, if I went outside like this, the wind would be blowing it everywhere, and this would end up looking like, have me out there looking real crazy. And in addition, you can see, even though my hair looks big right now, you can kind of see the spots where it shows that the strands are fine, because I guess if you guys compare it to the background behind me, you see how it just kind of shines through the hair, and so that shows you that I have fine strands. Or even if I like put one side in a little ponytail like this, then you can also see that even though it looks very big, it's actually fine hair. So I have a lot of fine hair, I'll say that. So my hair isn't thin, just to make that distinction. I don't have thin hair, I have fine hair. So the actual individual strands are fine. And you can see it comes down much smaller. So once I get to this stage, then I just decide where I want my part to be, and then I'm just going to add in some curling cream, which will give my hair more of a shape and weight, so that it doesn't just fly away if the wind blows. I can maintain a style with it. And I'm not really loyal to any particular brand of curling cream. Like most natural hair enthusiasts, I am definitely a product junkie, so I have a few favorites. Right now I'm using Jane Carter, and mostly because I like the way that this smells. I mean, it works really nicely also, but one of the things that makes it stand out from the other products is that it smells really good. It's not so fruity smelling. It's more of a floral scent, which that's what I lean towards usually, floral scents or citrus smells. Like, I love things that smell like lemon or lime. I don't like the fruity products, even though it's a lot of hair products that have that fruity smell that work really well. So I use them anyway, even though I'm not crazy about the scent. But yeah, so I just add some. I'm not adding a whole bunch. You can kind of see it in my hair, I think. And I'm mostly concentrating on the ends. I'm not really putting it towards the top of my hair. I just decided to leave this center part, and I'm just adding in the curling cream. Just a little bit at a time, because I can always add more. In fact, as I wear this style for a couple of days, I usually do add more curling cream each day. You can see it starting to take shape, starting to add a little bit of the wave of my natural curls back in there. And you guys, something that's really funny, almost every time I do this style, it makes my hair look, and even to some extent feel, so thick that I almost trick myself. I'm like, wow, maybe whatever I've been doing is really making my hair get thicker. So I think that this is like real. But then lo and behold, I go and wash my hair and it goes back to its normal fine state. But this is just something that I'm really happy I experimented with, and I found that it gives me the style that I really like, because I love wearing big hair. This is a style that I also do if I've been wearing my hair straight, and it's right before I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair, just to get a little bit extra out of the straightened hair. I'll just add some curling cream to my hair when it's curly, and it'll do this same thing, just kind of make my hair thicken up. It's starting to take shape, but once it dries with the curling cream, you guys can really see the style that it creates. But yeah, it's coming through pretty much now. So you guys see how it makes me look like I have big, thick hair when I don't. I'm just gonna add on some earrings. Just to complete the look. And you guys see? I just love this look so much. Of just this nice, thick afro. And it's just that simple to give you a controlled hairstyle. So I know when I go outside, it's not gonna blow and like give me the electrified shock look. If I wanted to, I guess I could tuck this behind my ears. Just add some variety. Let's see, do I want that? Yeah, I guess why not? It'll make putting my mask on easier, since that is how we're living right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I hope that this tip is something that will be useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would love to have you guys as a subscriber. Also, please comment below if you're going to give this tip a try, or if you have any tips that you use and you have fine hair that I could start using also. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!